Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will understand what the Python Turtle library is. You'll learn how to set Turtle up on your computer. You'll learn how to program with the Python Turtle library. And in the last, we will develop a short but entertaining game using what you have learned in the whole video. So if you're a beginner to Python, then this tutorial will help you as you take your first steps into the world of programming with using Python Turtle library. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, now let's see what Python Turtle library is. So basically, Turtle is a pre-installed Python library that enables users to create images and shapes by providing them with a virtual canvas. And the on-screen pen that is used for drawings is called the Turtle, and this is what gives the library its name, Turtle. The Python Turtle library, you can draw and create a lot of different things. Here's an example. That was cool, right? This is just one of the many different things you can make with this Turtle library. To start setting up Turtle up on your computer, there are two important things that you need to know. The first thing you need to know is the Python environment that you're using. You can use applications like IDLE or Jupyter Notebook to program with Turtle. In this case, I'm going to use PyCharm. The second thing you need to know is the Python version that you're using. You need to have version 3 of Python in your computer. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Python website. And for help setting things up, check out Python 3 installation and setup guide. I'll put the links in the description below. So to start setting up Turtle up on your computer, first you need to import Turtle. For that, you need to write from Turtle import, and then you're going to write done. Then we're going to run it. Now you can see this white window here. This window is called this screen, and this is where we can see the output of our code. Now let's create a turtle. To create a turtle, first I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Tom equal to turtle, and then I'm going to give it a shape. And then I'm going to give it a color. Tom.color green. Now you can see this little green turtle in the middle of the screen. Now let's learn the movements of the turtle. To move the turtle to forward, we're going to write Tom.forward 100 pixel. To move it to backward, we're going to say Tom.backward. For example, 50 pixel. To turn the turtle's head to right, we're going to say Tom.right. For example, 90 degree. And to turn the turtle to left, we're going to write Tom.left 45 degree. Now you see that the turtle moved forward 100 pixel, backward 50 pixel, and then right 90 degree, and then left 45 degree. So now if you want your turtle to move faster or slower, you can add a speed. Tom.speed. Oh, sorry. For example, 4. Now you can see the turtle moved really fast. And if you want this line to be thicker, you need to add width. Now you can see this line is really thick. Now that you have learned the movements of turtle, we can go and create some shapes. Now let's create a polygon first. To create a polygon, I'm gonna forward first, forward, and then I'm gonna turn left, left, 360 divided by 5, and then I'm gonna repeat this code for 5 times. Now let's run it. Now you can see the result, a polygon. There is also an easier way to draw this polygon instead of repeating this code for several times. I'm going to delete this, and then I'm going to show the function to you. There's a function called loop that will repeat this code for us automatically. For count in range 5. And it means that repeat this code for me for 5 times. If I write 2 in here, it means that repeat this code for me for 2 times. But I'm gonna repeat this 5 times. Now you can see the same result again. Now if you want to make your polygon more beautiful, and if you want to fill this with some colors, we can use a function called begin fill and end fill. Begin fill, it means that start fill this polygon for me, and then here I'm gonna say end fill. It means stop fill this polygon for me. Now you can see the result in here, and if you want to change the edge color and the face color, you can go to here and write this. Now you can see the edge color is green and the face color is red. We have another function. This is our last function that I'm gonna teach you today. This is pen up and pen down. I'm gonna say forward first, and then pen up. It means stop drawing. Like put your pen up, and then forward 40 pixel, for example, and then pen down. It means start drawing, put your pen down, and then again forward 100 pixel. Now you see that forward 100 pixel, pen up, forward 40 pixel, and then pen down again, forward 100 pixel. With turtle, we can also draw circles. So I'm going to delete this code. To draw a circle, we need to write circle, and then you need to write the radius in here, 100. Now you can just see the circle in here. Alright guys, so now let's draw this shape using what you have learned in the whole video. So this shape is made of squares, 100 squares. So I'm gonna show you how to draw that. First, let's run this. Now you can see the background color is white. I'm gonna change the background color to black. So first I'm going to import turtle, and then I'm going to write turtle dot screen dot bg color, and the bg color should be black. So I'm going to run this. Now you can see the background color changed to black. So now I'm going to draw a square. For that I need to write a loop for count in range 4, and then go forward. Forward 100 pixel, and then left 90 degree. Now let's run this. Now we can see a square here, but I want 100 squares, so I'm going to add another loop for count in range. I'm gonna put this loop inside this loop, so it will draw 100 squares for me. Now you can see it is not working, so it's because we didn't add left here, left 51, and now let's see. Yay! Okay, now we're going to change the color to rainbows. So we need to add another loop here, in the middle of these two loops, it is a little bit different. So we're gonna say four colors in, and we're going to write all the colors we want here. I already have them, so I just paste them. Okay, the colors are purple, navy, blue, cyan, light green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, now I'm going to put this in this loop, and then I'm going to change the color. Tom.color, colors. These are these are the colors. So the colors will change into this. Now let's run this. Yay, guys, we made that. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. You can practice more with the task in the description below. Please don't hesitate to ask me any question you may have. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and push the like button below. See you in the next video.